What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. I'm really excited for this week's video. This is my absolute favorite pickup of 2021. My pick for sneaker of the year. It's the Maniére Jordan 1s. I've already given a slight preview in last week's video where I talked about my top 5 sneakers of 2021. You guys know I'm a big Jordan 1 guy, and these right here are one of the best Jordan 1s I've seen in a long time. Anyways, let's jump right into it, guys. 3 ways to style these Maniére Jordan 1s, and then we'll get into the details and unboxing towards the end. Look 1, we're playing off the greyish sail base on the Maniére 1s with a grey Aimé Leon d'Or long sleeve tee, WTAPS cargo pants, and Fear of God mainline cap. This is a super chill look that you could even pair with a tote bag. This one's from Aimé Leon d'Or, and finishing it off with the Maniére 1s on feet. Next up we have look 2, this time playing off the burgundy accents on the Maniére 1s. We have this AMI bomber jacket in a nice fall brown beanie to match, white tee on the inner, and Junior Watanabe denim in black. Instead of going for the complete color matching, you could try color complement instead with your styling. For example here, with brown tones complementing the burgundy accents on the Maniére 1s. And last but definitely not least, I had to try it out. It's a full Jordan 1 suit look. Maniére is all about luxury my way, the English translation of Maniére, so I had to see how these ones would look in a suit. This double-breasted blazer is from Zara, with a slim-fitted white tee from Dior. Little classy mixed with a little street. Honestly, I really like this look. Not quite sure where I'd wear it to, but I love the aesthetic regardless. The all-white look pairs with the greyish sail base on the Maniére 1s really seamlessly, allowing for a nice pop on the burgundy accents too. Really good complements and balance of both sneaker and suit, without one overpowering the other. Now let's get down to the details. We've got this special Maniére collab box with a plastic outer, white and burgundy box, Maniére wrapping paper. This pair also comes with an extra pair of cream laces, and Maniére and Jordan hang tag in burgundy cracked leather. Now getting into the shoe, we've got a sail cracked leather base, snakeskin burgundy swoosh, a burgundy Jordan Wings logo which is detachable and reveals quotes by Jordan himself, more snakeskin details on the ankle area, quilted burgundy inners as well, an aged cream midsole, burgundy outsoles, a cracked leather tongue area with the Maniére logos on the tab, and finally the original burgundy laces with metal tips. As I've said previously, Maniére means my way in French, and it's James Whittaker, the founder of Maniére's expression of luxury through black culture and the black experience. If you haven't already, you should check out the campaign videos and stories behind the Maniére 1s and 3s. They both have so much meaning and depth behind the collabs, and to me, it's what really sets this collab apart from anything else that's come out this year. I especially recommend checking out James Whittaker's interview with GQ on these Maniére 1s. The passion he exudes and the gems being dropped in the video are absolutely worth the while. I'll have it linked in the description below, and honestly, who better to have explain these Maniére 1s than the man who created them himself. Well, with that being said guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, depending on the time of the video, Happy New Year's guys. Much love to you and yours. I'm thankful that we got through 2021, and here's hoping that 2022 will be a better year for all of us. Peace guys. See you guys again soon.